The other day, we saw the unimaginable. A mysterious piece of cheese lying on the concrete. We played a game of rock, paper, scissors. Loser has to touch the cheese.
You have to touch the cheese.
I went to pick the cheese up, but what I didn't realize is I was about to make the biggest mistake of my entire life.
He has the cheese touch!
How could this be? Just an ordinary piece of cheese turning my life into a living nightmare. From this point on, no one wanted to talk to me, not even my mom.
Hey, Mom.
Ew, stay away!
I had to get rid of it, but how? So I DM'd Greg Heffley and asked him to come over for some advice. How does someone, if infected, get rid of the cheese touch?
Just touch someone when they're least expecting it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks for the advice. And there it was, the touch I needed, the transfer of infection that will haunt his every move from here on out. I'm not the bad guy, I'm just trying to save myself.